Hi, I'm Danielle, the kitchen and cooking editor at Reviewed, and today we're going to talk about HelloFresh, one of the most popular meal kit delivery services. HelloFresh is a subscription service, so you start out on their website by selecting your desired meal plan. They have selections like meat and veggies, vegetarian, pescatarian, fit and wholesome, family friendly, and quick and easy. And even after you've selected the theme of your plan, you can still see all the meals available in any given week if you want to change it up. You start by selecting the number of people you want to serve and the number of meals you want to receive each week. Then HelloFresh will give you a set of recommended meals to start with, but you can customize that by browsing through all of the available meals and even filtering by the type that you're looking for. You can also add extras like sides and desserts, both pre-made and dessert kits. You can also add breakfast items and fun seasonal options. HelloFresh has even started to offer some ready-made meals that you can add if you know there are nights when you don't feel like cooking. When your box arrives, each meal is packaged in a bag like this, and the proteins that might accompany it will be underneath, packed in ice, so everything stays nice and cold and fresh until you unpack it. Here are some things we like about HelloFresh. The meals are consistently delicious and full of flavor, and they are fresh. I mean, it's in their name after all. My entire family has agreed. Every meal we've made has been delicious. If you're looking for some inspiration, some of my favorite recipes have been the za'atar-crusted grilling cheese, one-pot chicken sausage and bean soup, and shrimp spaghetti with a kick. Another thing we really like are the very detailed recipe cards that come with every recipe. They tell you what you need to gather ahead of time, what comes in the bag, and detailed instructions for how to accomplish the recipe step by step. While the directions are super easy to follow, we always recommend reading them through ahead of time so you don't miss an ingredient or a step. Been there, done that. We also love that HelloFresh is relatively budget friendly. It's not the cheapest meal kit out there, but for the quality that you get, it definitely won't break the bank. I've been using HelloFresh for a few months now, and on average, for 4 meals a week, serving 4 people, I spend around $120. And there are always rewards and discounts that build the more boxes that you order. Another great thing about HelloFresh is the extensive variety of meals that they offer. There's more than 30 to choose from every week, and they often include seafood options, lots of vegetarian options, and a few vegan options, although they could do better with some more of those. One of the things that I personally love about HelloFresh is that it really gets me out of the dinner rut. Even as a professional chef, sometimes I don't really want to have to think about what to cook for dinner. And with the options, the delicious flavors, and the fresh ingredients, it makes cooking fun dishes for my family really easy. There are a few things that we don't like about HelloFresh. First of all, the timing on the cards is hardly ever accurate. If it says 20 minutes, sometimes you need to double it. I'm a professional chef, and it even takes me some time to get through these recipes, so you can imagine what happens when it's my husband's turn to cook dinner. Poor thing. It's a good thing that the results are so delicious, but we've definitely been leaning toward the quick and easy prep options so that it doesn't take as long. Another downside to HelloFresh is how far in advance you need to make your meal selections. I get my delivery on Mondays, and I have to choose by Wednesday. It's kind of far in advance to know what I'm going to want to eat for dinner the following week. And if you miss, they'll choose for you. So you have to make sure that your preferences are exactly what you're looking for. Otherwise, you might end up with something you weren't expecting. If you love surprises, then you're good to go. I will say, the one time I forgot to customize my selections, I called customer service about some recipes that I wasn't super excited to get, and they did give me a credit for some of those recipes. One thing to watch out for with HelloFresh is the premium meals. They'll add up quickly in your cart, and if you're not expecting it, you need to double check before you check out. While most of the meals are around $9.99 a serving, some of the premium meals can get up over $14. It adds up quick, so you've got to be careful. Overall, the pros for HelloFresh are that the meals are consistently delicious, fresh, and full of flavor. The recipe cards are well organized and easy to read. They're relatively budget-friendly meals, and there's an excellent variety of options that really get you out of the dinner rut. Some of the cons of HelloFresh are that the timing given with the recipes is hardly ever accurate, You have to really plan ahead if you want to skip or adjust your menu selections. And you have to watch out for premium meals so you don't skyrocket your checkout. Should you invest in a HelloFresh subscription? We say yes. If you want fun recipes that are always fresh and delicious, HelloFresh is a great option for a weekly meal kit delivery service. With meals that average about $9.99 a serving, HelloFresh is a relatively budget-friendly option for a delivery service that'll bring delicious meals to your doorstep. HelloFresh is on our list of best meal kit delivery services. For the full review, check out review.com. Thanks for watching.